Yo, what's up, guys? Kickstarters here with
Adrian.
Dakota.
the usual, you know. Guess what we're about to do? What we about to do, guys?
We're about to go to Mid-Ohio.
He never says his name.
Nah, you guys don't know me. You only know them. I'm the cameraman, okay?
When we go to Mid-Ohio, I want to get Hobo Bill to sign this picture.
Did you even tell him we're going to Mid-Ohio?
I thought you did.
No?
I did.
Oh, Adrian did. Alright, guys, we're going to Mid-Ohio.
I'm going to Mid-Ohio.
It's just Adrian. We got the trailer loaded all up. This is gonna be a special video, guys. It's gonna be a good one. I claim it as our 150 subscriber special.
It's a little late, but you know.
It's a little late. We're at like 155 now. We appreciate the love. We want to see it keep coming. We're never gonna stop this. We have so much fun making videos and stuff, guys. You know, it's never gonna stop. We got a bunch of food, a bunch of stuff. We're gonna be camping out at Mid-Ohio Vintage Motorcycle Days. We're camping out for like 3 days. We're leaving it Thursday. We'll be back Sunday.
It's gonna be extremely rainy.
Yeah, apparently it's gonna rain, but I'm not really complaining. There's stunt bikes there. We got
Trials bikes.
trials bikes.
We need to find the trials bike.
Hobo Bill.
There might be bagger racing.
There's sweet ass like super bike racing on the Mid-Ohio course and stuff. And there's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dirt bikes, motorcycles, anything. You name it, it's there. ATVs, anything.
Crazy drunk people.
Crazy cool drunk people that love to party and have fun. What's up?
Having issues latching that.
Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna help him figure this out, guys. We'll see you guys on the road.
I'm gonna finish my root beer.
Officially on the road, boys.
I'm on the road again.
Like that one Willie Nelson song.
On the way to our destination, you know. Back seat loaded up, the bed's loaded up, and the trailer's all loaded up.
We're the cool people you see on the highway.
Yeah, we're the people you guys get jealous of. I get jealous too.
Now we're those people.
Yeah, but on the road, we got hour 40 minutes. We'll see you guys either on the way there or when we get there. Peace. Here, boys. We don't know if we can for sure go in. There's some people turning around and shit, but we'll figure it out. We're here. We're at Mid-Ohio.
Kind of.
No, not yet. We had to make a pit stop because I don't know who it was, but someone wanted to leave real early.
Yeah, have no idea who did that.
But yeah, I mean, there's tons of people going over there, but we made a stop at Love's because we weren't allowed to pull in right now. We gotta wait a little
in a
bit.
van that said they're turning us away, so we just went away.
We gotta wait till
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
We're still showing up early again, though.
Oh yeah, we're still showing up.
We're not waiting in that full ass line.
But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update. We'll be there soon. We're 5 minutes away from there, 10 minutes away.
11. That's 11 minutes.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, we're 11 minutes away.
Fuck you too. Guys, back again. They didn't let us in. We ended up driving for a minute, and then we're back again, and we gotta wait till 5 to get in, since this guy wants to delete all his emails, and we don't have the verification email.
We can still get in, just 5 o'clock.
Yeah. I mean, it's 3:54. It's only an hour.
That's
3:23.
It's 3:23. That time is wrong on my truck.
Got about 2 hours.
That guy's trailer lock is undone.
We followed this guy, and we don't know who he is, but
It seemed like a pretty good idea.
he stopped, so we stopped because it's right here. And look at all those people, and we can't get in.
This is a racetrack right here.
You want to get in? I'm trying to get in. Ah!
Come on, I think he's just trying to go around.
We about to chill here, and you guys about to watch us vibe. Yeah. Look at this dude. Just chilling like a villain.
Ooh, you had the music going.
And it's alright, it was on for like a split second.
I already know what I'm looking for.
We watched an entire episode of King of the Hill before we moved again. Isn't that right, Adrian?
It was pretty fun, though.
But
Oh, boy.
we got people behind us too. Traffic. Cars in front. Cars behind.
Still sitting in the car. You know, we got a good view. People riding bikes right now. It's currently 6:53. We've been out here waiting. We got out here at 1.
We left the house at 12.
We got out here at 1-ish. And it's now 7 o'clock, and we're still probably got another 10, 20 minutes of cars.
We move a little bit at a time, every 10 minutes per se.
It's crazy. Adrian's blowing things up.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. It's nice out there. That's nothing though. That ain't even half of it, what you guys can see right now. That's not even a quarter of it, I don't think.
It's like 380 acres.
It's a lot. It's a lot of riding. We are officially about to go in. It is, last time I showed you guys, it was 6:53. 7:41. And we're just now getting in. We still got to set up the tent. We still got to set up our canopies, get everything out.
And ride around.
And ride around still, because we can't ride around at night without a factory headlight, because they get mad about that for some reason.
I built my bike. I'm the factory. I put a light on there if I want.
Say, if it was too late, it hit 9 o'clock, they wouldn't let us in.
Those
But yeah, we're
poor souls.
finally here. I mean, we were here earlier and earlier, but now we're going in. Hopefully, we better be going in.
Prowl? Over there?
Oh, it started recording. Well, guess what, guys? I was just about to start recording. We're here. I just dropped it on my knee.
Is that the fellas over there? Probably not.
Maybe.
Maybe.
That looks like the white truck. That might be them. I don't know.
Okay.
We're gonna go see if that's the boys. Oh, this guy's pointing at us. He's showing us where to go.
Adrian said it's sketchy, but it's honestly not that bad. I want to rip you.
Oh, these fucking cars, you got no suspension on this fuck. They can't even turn. It's comfy, but you hit bumps and it wants to throw you. The way it leans, it's hard to turn right. It wants to flip.
Yeah, and? We finally out here, we've been chilling, you know, I'm loving it. I'm loving every second of it.
You can still see a line of cars. You can see the headlights all along the road. They are hours from getting into the front.
They might not even get in, it's 9 o'clock, huh? I hurt my balls. Yeah, look at this right, guys.
Adrian crashed it, smacked the front.
What was it? The humps that fucked you up?
Yeah, it was the washboard.
I think the tire must have been loose, bro, for it to come out that easy.
That might have been it.
Bruh.
I don't even think it was the tubes. I think it was bent after the fact.
We out here vibing right now. Dakota's playing the guitar. Adrian's chilling. I'm chilling. About to set you guys up. Vibe with us. Now wait to see what them fingers do to you. If nobody hears that fuck after that bang. Boom! Fuck! They blew their fucking fingers off there.
It's the morning of. Got David Adrian right here. Stormed a little bit. He couldn't sleep, so he just slept on this. The front end's still fucked up, but
No, we fixed it.
no, we just made it a bed.
It's serving a purpose now.
It stormed last night, and it was pissing on me on the floor.
I got maybe 30 minutes of sleep. I couldn't sleep because of the humidity and the heat. It's horrible. Body was just sticking.
I don't even know where my blanket went.
He slept in the truck.
You slept like a motherfucking baby. Oh no, that temperature ended up dropping after that storm though. I was freezing out here.
Dude, look at that bike. That's nice. Got some thick tire. Dude, look at that back tire.
Yeah, it's a TW.
You know what TW is? Twat waffle. See, TW.
Blue waffle.
Blue waffle. Yeah, this area, the sound of two-stroke is your alarm clock. I woke up at 7 o'clock because I heard a two-stroke. Cook some dogs, some bacon. Cooking some more dogs. Got burgers for a different day. David's in there.
Hi guys.
He's doing his thing.
Jerking off.
Damn right.
Fix that.
Right on time, right on time.
Is it alright that I record?
Yeah, I don't care.
Only if it looks good.
Make sure you tag the wall of death.
We're at the wall of death.
All right.
Oh, dude, look, right there.
I know. I noticed that when we pulled up, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the American Motor Joe Company's Thrill Arena. Founders sitting on an island. Say hello to the wonderful Ariel.
I haven't seen him last time. Oh, yeah.
Coming from the hills of Tennessee, say hello to the Collective Colossus Big Red.
I know this guy. Yeah, that's him right there.
Watch him try to hustle you for your signature. He's like $5.
I want your donuts.
This is my donuts.
I want your banana.
Those are his bananas. Give me your flamingos.
This came straight from the zoo, my boy. All of these flamingos.
Are they legit? I thought they were Alibaba.
I want to watch that. I don't know when that is. I was wondering if I could get your signature on this.
That's me.
Yeah, it is.
Was that last year here?
I think it was. I'm pretty sure it was. I did not take that picture.
I don't know.
No, I
We
found
were
it
here
online.
last year, though. Last year was my first time seeing you guys. Me too.
That's you, that's you. Hey, that's me, that's me.
Well, you might as well sign by you.
I'll sign me, I'll sign
If you want to sign it too, go
Can I
ahead.
sign it?
I very much appreciate it. Thank you.
Man, no
Thank you, guys.
Somebody gave it to him.
Look at that. Got signed.
We got his autograph. We got to frame that shit.
We got 2 autographs. Because that's her down there. Oh, damn. I don't know how to stop.
We got to frame. Oh, yeah. Look at Did we bring the camera? I guess we're just going to have to get these framed out.
I think this is the lap of history.
I think so.
hill climb we did before. Damn.
It's a fucking dolly.
I stood up to look at it and everything went dark. David's over here disassembling the generator. Fuck if I know what he's doing.
Yes.
Yay, firework. This is a proper fire and a beer. Adrian, you mega mind. Look at this pile you made. A boosh. Got to me a boosh.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is a part of us walking over to the campground because we didn't really talk to the camera too much, so I figured I'd tell you guys what's going on. We're just going over here to like the burnout pits and stuff. About to go party a little bit, you know. That's how it goes. This shit's crazy, y'all. It's so hectic out here with the ramps and stuff. So many people out here. Everyone's on a bike or watching. Makeshift ramp, just sending it. Crazy. Adrian said imagine living right there. I don't know if you guys can see it.
We got two smokers.
Plane away. Fuck the plane away.
That rear pipe is red hot. Oh.
It's now Saturday. My head hurts a little bit because I stayed up till 4 drinking. Got an applesauce. I'll be back. Gotta go take a shower.
So many people out here, it's crazy. If it's a dirt bike or something, you name it, they got it. All down the strip, all this stuff's for sale. Even Adrian, he's for sale. Give me like 20 bucks, you can have them. We're headed to the racetrack right now. We're just gonna go chill at it for a little bit. Bring you guys with us, get some footage. I'm on the 80 right now. Adrian's on the 125. That needs a new rear tire. We've been trying to find one the whole time. We thought it'd be easy, but for some reason not. But it's doing fine. It definitely doesn't have like 8 broken spokes. Probably 9 by now. Dakota's riding real slow. This whole entire event's just a completely unreal experience. Oh, look at these degenerates riding their dirt bikes around thinking they can mess everything up.
All these kids on dirt bikes.
Yeah, they need to arrest the kids on dirt bikes.
Them damn dirt scooters.
Them damn dirt bicycles. I've lost Dakota. Oh, I see him. I just cut the line in traffic. Looked like these boys didn't want to do it. I lost them. I don't know where they went. I lost them boys, so I just pulled off to the side until I see them pass. There's like hella traffic. I was swerving up through it with a camera in my hand. But they ain't coming. I don't know where they're at. Oh, there's Adrian. There's Dakota. I see them both. Hey guys! These are the racers. Like, look at that. What the fuck? Transmission looks massive. This is about to be a long video, guys, but it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be action-packed. Look at this Ducati. Beautiful Ducati. Look at it, dude. Look at it, dude. He about to pop a wheelie behind these people, I think. I got these. Got a cooling towel and a thing. Shout out to the stand. Hooking it up. Adrian got a few things. Yeah. Dakota just got a magnet.
Chicken helmet.
Dude, go get it. You got a cooling towel or what?
Huh?
Did you get one of these?
No.
Dude, with your neck being burnt, that would have been the best thing for you. You can dip it in the cooler and it would stay around your neck, bro. About to get some of the military stuff. They're doing the stunts. We didn't get to see this last year. I need a beer.
All right, in the blue and yellow riding gear is Mr. Pat Smodgy. He is your 14-time National Trials champion. And right next to him is our buddy Mr. Troy Smalls, an accomplished motorcycle rider in his own right, hanging out with the likes of Travis Pastrana, doing all types of crazy flips. Also does a bunch of stunt work. You can catch him on TVs and movies. He's hanging out with The Rock.
Was pretty fucking cool. I like that more than the Wall of Death. That was fun, bro. That was like cool as hell. Set up here by the track. It's beautiful over here. Yo, what's up guys? We went chilled at the races, watched them for a little bit, cruised around for a little bit, just kind of enjoyed it, had a good time. Now we're about to cook up some quesadillas. Don't worry, bro. Chef Dakota right here. We gotta cook some bacon though first. Co-chef Adrian. Hey, look, I'm emotional support.
I'm like the sous chef. I think that's the one under the chef.
Yeah, I'm just emotional support. I'm the
bus boy.
I'm the judge.
You're the bus boy.
I'm the judge.
You're the bus boy.
I'm the judge.
He's sitting there with a knife and fork.
Ready to take like the smallest nibble ever and go.
Like Squidward?
Yeah.
You gotta suck off all your fingers. That's like.
You're gonna what?
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 Nothing. One big block. I'm just trying to separate it.
Not like Adrian. Don't pull an Adrian. What?
We're cooking again because we're fat asses. I just finished the patties and David's making the bacon to put on top.
It's hot as balls out here. The sun
Yeah.
went away though. Y'all missed it. It was so hot.
The fire's making me cry. It's just burning my eyes. He wants to eat the damn bike.
I thought I melted your tire for a second. Oh my god, you're gonna put that on your food after you touch the tire. Guess what? I'll be fine.
How are you gonna clean it? Put it on the fire.
Exactly, it's hot. It's burning off all the germs. I got free suspension.
Oh yeah, Adrian got some more parts for his test project.
Yeah. It's a little longer. It'll get a bit of a raise.
He got these shocks. He's got those shocks.
Oh yeah, that shit's cooking now.
Hell, he's even got these shocks. He keeps getting free parts.
He's a Jew.
Fire's hot. Like I could feel my arms burn from the sun and just fire getting close to my sunburns. Like, what you got there?
Arnold Palmer.
Arnold Palmer. Isn't that an alcohol?
No.
I'm throwing to Adrian. I'm throwing towards the truck.
I realized he said okay and then continued to throw it this way anyways.
Hey, bro, why, bro? What the hell? That's genuinely weird, bro. You were like dropping it every time. He said, "Hold on, rain, lock in." Those clouds are coming towards us. Uh-oh. Why are you throwing it? Why the hell are you throwing it like that?
Sorry guys, the storm's about to hit us.
It started raining real bad, so we stopped throwing the football. Came in
And now we're gonna have a hot ass fire.
yeah, we're about to cook our tootsies. Thanks, homie.
Oh guys, it was a great year at Vintage Motorcycle Days. We're getting ready to pack up here soon. We'll still be riding around for a little bit. Probably get a little more footage of us riding around, showing you guys the end result of it all, what everyone's doing. Our plan is just to get everything packed up, throw everything in the truck, and ride around. So when we're ready to leave, all we need is the bikes. But it's raining right now. Dakota's out here, just chilling. We got a little bit of a mess to clean up. We got a little messy while we were out here, but that's besides the point. But yeah, it was a great year. Like I said, we're gonna do some more riding. We got caught up in the rain right now. You guys almost got attacked by that water.
We're clearing now, getting stuff packed. You can see there's a lot of cars that are gone right now, but we got about 15 more minutes of cleanup, and then we're gonna start riding.
pull? What do you guys want to give me a pull?
I don't got a rope.
I just need to jump started. I'm competing right now too.
Oh shit.
Just go down the street. I'll stay if you need to go a little faster. Hold up. Oh shit. Better make sure that's not just your.
Oh shit, yeah, that's just your thing. That's gonna rip off. Oh my god, there's so much mud. Holy shit! That's not even hittable. Where are you going? You gonna hit the hill climb? I didn't make it far. Sketchy. I stalled. Whoa. This bike's small. Dude, I'm surprised I'm getting this much grip. Another probably YouTuber maybe. Oh, she's hogging right up. I've never been this way. Oh shit. What happened, buddy? Lift her up. She's probably pouring out gas. Turn her on and you push from right there, and I'll push from right here. That was fun. I'm going through it. It's the end, guys. We only got 1% battery. I'm trying to hurry up and get this outro done. It was a great year out here, mid-Ohio, vintage motorcycle days. We had a blast. Everyone's packing up. Everyone's out of here. You know, we got our stuff packed up. We're about to head out of here. It was a great one. Gonna be a great video. I'm muddy as hell.